Right, I'm going to show you how to make a coconut chicken curry. And I'm doing a little side dish, some garlic potatoes, and I'll show you how to make them too. Right, I've started to fry the onions. I'll bring you over here and I shall show you. Right, there's the onions for the curry. There's about 8 small onions in there. There's 1 small one in there. Potatoes ready to go in. And I've just boiled the desiccated coconut, which is what I use. And you boil that in a saucepan of water. Right, the next thing to do is to liquidise the onions. You do like this. And right, you put your onions into here. They're easier to liquidise once they've been brown as well, they're a bit softer. But just give a bit of a brown on the edge. Let them cook for about at least 20 minutes. Make a bit of noise. Right. Next thing is the spices. go all nice and liquid. You know, I don't have to shout anymore. Right. It goes. Whoops, Daisy. I don't waste nothing here. Just in case you can't see, I'm going to turn you around a little bit. Right, potatoes are done. That's what potatoes look like. And they're finished. I'll put a lid on them, ready for tonight.